Good morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've made a video, but this one has to be made. My car, 18 GT Mustang, I've really loved the look of the clean back panel without the GT emblem. So I bought the Accelatec rear panel, Gloss Black, and this is now the third one that I've had. Every one I've gotten, it either arrives broken, or this is what happens when it sits outside. Within 3 months, the paint just completely cracks and goes to crap. And I'm tired of it. This one, if you look right here, this one even arrived broken, but it's in a spot you can't see. So I settled on it because that was the best one. Every other one I've got has either been cracked in half or chunks missing out of it, and I'm tired of it. So for me, the best answer was, I went ahead and I bought the Ford Motorsports one, which is blank. There's no emblem. And this is the way that it comes packed. Look at that. Neatly wrapped, styrofoam on the ends. It arrived without a scratch, without a mark. It is absolutely perfect. So now what we're going to do is we're going to swap this out, and my next video will be the new taillight panel. Thank you.